Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'll be reviewing the Von 10kg washing machine. Yeah, so I was about to do my laundry and I thought this is the right time for me to review the machine, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful to even one of you. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so this is the machine. Brand is Von. It's a 10kg washing machine. And first off, before I even begin with the review, I need to get rid of this, yo. This is... Alright guys, so first things first, I'll open the washer tub. This is the washer tub and this is the spinner tub, and fill it with water. So I'll be filling it with water using this pipe. This is the pipe that came with the washing machine, and to be very honest with you guys, it's not that long. So it's advisable either to fill the tub with a bucket or to put your washing machine somewhere closer to the sink where you can get easy access to water. So this is the part where you connect, this is the part where you connect your pipe to the washing machine, and this is where you connect it to a water outlet. So the water is going into the tub, and you can fill the tub to whatever level you want depending on the amount of clothes that you want to wash. So as you guys can see, the tub is quite big, and I fill the water depending on the amount of clothes that I have for the day. So the tub comes with 3 different levels: the lower, medium, and the high. And normally I don't wash a lot of clothes, so I put it on the medium. So that's about it for the water. The water is on the medium level. So the next thing I want to do is to add my detergent. And the good thing about this machine, you can use any detergent that you have. You can use any powder detergent, you can use any liquid detergent, and you don't have to use a washing machine detergent as most people say. I have a friend of mine who uses normal detergent and his machine is working perfectly. So these are the detergents I have. I have a powdered one and a liquid one, and I'll be using both because I want to. And then I'll add a cup of the liquid one. So I first turned on the machine before adding the clothes because I wanted to make sure the detergent, was thoroughly mixed. And now that the detergent is mixed, I'll be adding my clothes. And as I add the clothes, I'll turn on the machine and set it for 15 minutes. I just want you guys to notice the dirt on the collar. So I'll officially turn the machine for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so as the machine washes, I'll take you through the controls. So this machine comes with 3 controls, that is the wash timer, wash drain select, and the spin timer. So I'll start with the wash timer. Wash timer comes with a set time that is from 3 minutes to 15 minutes. I prefer washing my clothes for 15 minutes because that thoroughly cleans my clothes, and I only need to rinse them once and I'm good to go. Now we move to the wash drain select control. The wash drain select control determines how effective and how fast you want the machine to wash your clothes. So if I'm washing normal clothes, I'll put the wash drain select control on normal, and if I'm washing clothes with a softer material, I'll put the wash drain select control on gentle. And if I want to drain the water from the tub or from the spinner, I'll put the wash drain select control on drain. So it comes with 3 options, as you can see. It comes with the gentle, normal, and drain option. So now we move to the spin timer. So the spin timer determines how long you want the machine to spin the clothes. So it also comes with a set time that is from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Yeah, so I'll let the machine run for about 15 minutes and then I'll come back and continue with the review. So that's about it. The clothes are now clean, so I need to transfer the clothes from the wash tub to the spinner so that I can rinse them and dry them. So I'll open the spinner, and this is what came with the spinner. This is a spinner mat. You need to cover the clothes when they're on the spinner with this so that they can, fully dry. So I've transferred all the clothes in the spin tub. So next I'll cover the spin tub with this spin mat, because it can't work without the spin mat. Then cover this up and then set the time on the spin timer control. Spinning. And once you open the spin tab, the machine stops spinning automatically. Close it. Okay guys, so do you remember how dirty this collar was? Now look at it. Look at it now, it's all clean. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to add water into the spin tub using this inlet. Okay, and I'll still be using the same pipe, to get the water into the tub. Alright guys, so I'm letting the water into the spin tub using this inlet. Can you see here? Using that inlet. And in return, the machine is spinning and rinsing the clothes at the same time. So alternatively, you can drain the wash tub, then rinse the clothes from the wash tub and then spin them again, and then they'll be ready for the lines. But I feel like that's a lot of work, so I prefer rinsing and spinning at the same time. Yeah. Alright guys, so today is the next day. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footage from yesterday's video, but it's all good. We're gonna pick it from here. So yesterday you were left to the part where the machine was letting water in the spin tub using this inlet. Yeah, so while the water was getting into the spin tub, the machine was also rinsing and drying the clothes at the same time. Yeah, so the clothes came out 90% dry, they're not completely dry, so I had to hang them on the lines for about an hour. Yeah, so that's about it. Another thing that I forgot to show you guys is that when draining the water from the machine, you have to put the wash drain select control on drain and let the drain pipe down so that it can release the water from the machine. Yeah, so that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so it's until next time, guys. Bye.